Are you trying to decide whether CrankWheel or Loom is the better choice for your demos? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know which one suits your needs, so stick around till the end to make the most informed decision. Before we dive in, I've got an exclusive bonus for you. You can try both CrankWheel and Loom completely free from the first link in the description below. So, let's get into it and figure out which one really works best for demos. First, let's talk about ease of use. CrankWheel stands out for its simplicity. It's designed to be ultra-friendly for live demos. With just one click, your customers can join your screen share, no downloads required. This is huge if you're working with clients who may not be tech-savvy, or if you just need a fast, seamless demo. Loom, on the other hand, is great for pre-recorded content, but does require a bit more setup for live demos. You'll need to set up and send out a link ahead of time. While it's easy for asynchronous demos, it's not as spontaneous as CrankWheel. Next thing, features. CrankWheel is built for instant screen sharing during live interactions, which is perfect for sales teams or support staff. It integrates well with CRMs like HubSpot, so you can manage your customer interactions and track them directly. Loom is all about recording. While it has great features for recording and sharing videos, such as trimming and annotations, it doesn't focus on live demo sharing. It's fantastic for on-demand content, but not the go-to for real-time engagement. The third thing to consider is customization. CrankWheel has limited customization options compared to Loom, but it does provide a professional, no-frills experience that's tailored for live demos. Loom offers more customization with video recording, like custom thumbnails, branding, and even adding calls to action within the video. So, if branding and polished video presentations are a priority for you, Loom might have the edge here. Next up, speed. When it comes to speed and minimal setup, CrankWheel wins hands down. With CrankWheel, there's no need to download software and no complicated setup. You're ready to go in seconds. Loom takes a little more time with its video recording, editing, and sharing process. That said, Loom is still fast, but if you need instant action, CrankWheel is the go-to. And let's not forget about pricing. CrankWheel has a free version, but it's really limited when it comes to the number of demos you can perform. If you want unlimited demos, you'll need a paid plan. Loom also has a free plan, but it's more focused on video recording and doesn't give you the same level of live interaction you get with CrankWheel. Loom's paid plans, however, offer more features like longer recording times and advanced video editing, which can be a huge plus if you're focused on content creation. Finally, if you're looking for something that offers a balance between ease of use and powerful features for real-time demos, CrankWheel is probably your best bet. But if you're mainly interested in recording and editing video demos for later viewing, Loom could be more up your alley. Remember, you can get access to both tools with an exclusive extended free trial through the link below, so you can try them out and see which one works best for your demos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.